Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the prerequisites: Visual Studio or VS Code and an HTML file. First, open your project folder and locate index. HTML, this is the entry point. Once done, make sure the editor has the HTML extension enabled so syntax highlighting and emit work. If using Visual Studio, pick an ASP, NET, or empty web project template. If using VS Code, open the folder and confirm the workspace settings. Now save all files before moving to Run options. Next, run the page with a local server to avoid CORS and file path issues. If you use VS Code, install and enable Live Server, then right-click Index. HTML and choose Open with Live Server. Your default browser will open at localhost 5500 or similar. If you use Visual Studio, press F5 or select IIS Express to launch the debugger and browser. While it runs, open DevTools to watch console errors and network requests, so you can fix broken links or script order problems. To finish, iterate. Change HTML, CSS, or JS and save to see updates. Live Server hot reloads automatically while Visual Studio may rebuild. For JavaScript issues, set breakpoints in DevTools or the editor and use console. Log, source maps help map transpiled code back to originals. Once behavior is correct, stop the server and commit changes. If something breaks, clear the browser cache, verify file paths, and ensure the server is serving the correct folder. That one fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.